Alright, hello everyone, my name is Grace again, GraceDAExplorer. So today I'm going to create a video regarding how to install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench. Actually, I recorded this just for my own reference, but I would like to share it with you guys. So here we go, let's get started. This and just click this downloads. And then from here you can see the MySQL community, just click it here. And then since I'm using Mac or Mac Air, just click this MySQL community server. If you are using Windows, you can click this. Okay, so I'm gonna click this and here we go. So it is automatically pop up whatever your operating system. So the website automatically check what operating you use. So I'm using Mac, so I'm gonna click this because my version as of the moment is like 14 something Sarnama, I think. I'm not sure, but it's kind of a new. So I'm gonna click this, and then it says here, login sign up. So don't click this portion here, just click no thanks. Just start my download. Okay, yeah, that's it. Double click it and click this and click allow. It says thank you for choosing MySQL, blah blah. Just click continue, and then just as a license agreement, just click continue and then agree. So install for all users of this computers. I'm gonna use this, and I don't want to change the location, so just that, click install, and then enter your password of your computer. Okay, hit okay, and there you go. So they're going to ask, or they want you to set a password of this root user. So this is the username, and then mine is, just need to, it says a reasonable password consists of at least 8 characters, that mix of letters, numbers, and characters. So mine is this 8, and then just click it, finish, and then your computer password again, click OK, then click finish, and then click close. Would you like to keep this? For me, I wanted to keep it for a moment. Just gonna click keep there, the server. Okay, so just click here and then click this Apple sign or Apple logo, then system settings, and then scroll down. You can see the MySQL. Once you're done installing it, just click it, and then as you can see, yeah, this is the one that I've installed earlier. And then you can stop the server, you can uninstall whatsoever. Now let's set up this server in order for us to connect the MySQL Workbench. So just click this spot thing and then type terminal, and then yeah, so from here let me see if I can. All right, so just type mysql.u, then root -p, enter, and then as you can see it says zsh command not found. So just So if you can check the list of here, let's say ls.a, and I don't have any yet. I have zhrc. I mean the MySQL something. Okay, so let's go and let me clear it here for a moment. And then, so in order for us to set up, just type this touch dot hrc, then just click, and then you can say open that zshrc, and then it will route you in this path. Okay, so in my case, since as you can see, this is different from here, so I wanted to set up for this one. Okay, because this is different. This is MySQL 8.4.0. So just type export, just the same export. I'm going to click this. This is case sensitive, so you need to be very careful in typing of this. So path, and then colon. So how are you going to check this pin? Where is this located? So just type click this, search for the spotlight search, and then backslash usrc, and then click this folder, and then as you can see there's a pin, live, and other. Just click local, and then you can see the MySQL 9.00. Click this and click the pin. So once you get this thing, if you are, so we need to copy the path, so we cannot copy it on this side, but I have here the side, so you can copy the path. So in your case, if you're not able to see this side here, you just click this, and sorry, file, I think, and then there's a this one, sorry, I was not able to show that, shows that, or the hide path bar. So mine is, I already show it, so it says on my side is hide path bar, so I don't want to hide it because I still need to copy it. Then just hover it, and then right click, and then copy the path, and then here we go, and paste it here. Okay, so once you're done, you just need to save it, and then you can close it, close this. And so once done, let's try to type MySQL. Okay, let's try to type the source, zhrc, and then you need to type the source as the shrc, just to refresh. So once done setting up setting up the touch, I mean once you copy the pin, okay, the bin path, okay. And then let me try to type the MySQL sorry, this is u, then root, then -p, and then enter. And then you need to enter the password. So whatever your password on your MySQL server, you need to type it here. Why to localhost I'm getting an error. Access denied for user root to localhost using password yes. Okay, so what happened was when I'm trying to enter my password, it says that it's wrong password, I think. So what I did earlier, I tried to uninstall my MySQL 9.0.0 and then I tried it again and but I'm still getting some error. I cannot open my server. So what I did here is I tried to open this MySQL as what I mentioned earlier. Just go to your Mac and then open the system and then scroll down and then you can see the MySQL and just click it, and then you can see this page, right? Just click initialize database once you have issue with the password. Even your password is correct, but however you cannot go into, open your server. So just click this initialize database and then enter your password here. Okay, and then once you enter your password, you need to start the click this. Okay, you need to start MySQL Server and then go to the terminal panel. So what I did here is I tried to type this cd USR local MySQL pin. However, there's no such thing over there. So what I did was I opened the ZSHRC and then I opened this thing, okay, this text file that I mentioned earlier. Okay, I'm gonna show it for my video once I edit this video. So just type this touch, okay, so that you can open the text file, and then once you're done and clicking and type your path there or copy paste your path and then click this, type this, open ZSHR and type the path, okay, the path that I've mentioned earlier, which is this. Just type USR folder and then click this and then go to local, click this, go to bin and then copy the path. Okay, then once done, you need to refresh the terminal. So type the source.zshrc and then once done, type this mysql -u root -p, and then once again I got this error. So I get this error. It says that MySQL server through socket. Then I tried to open this. I did not click the start button here, this start MySQL server. So when I tried to start, click this and then type again the second time, so mysql -u root -p, and then boom, I got this welcome thing. So I am now able to use the server. So now I'm done installing the server, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the MySQL Workbench. All right, so once you're done setting up your MySQL password, and then you try to run the show databases, and then you see this MySQL, so you're good to go. And then if you want to exit the terminal, and then just type exit, and then it's automatically saved all the work that you have done. So process completed. Now let's go to install the MySQL Workbench, the graphical user interface for the MySQL server. So again, just open the mysql.com, go to downloads, and then scroll down, go to this community, downloads, and then MySQL Workbench. Click this, and then still automatically the website recognize your operating system that you're using. So mine is Mac. Yeah. And then yeah, just I'm gonna go ahead and choose this first one. So just click this and then copy it. Alright, so I need to go to my application and then open the MySQL Workbench. And then just click open. So let's just wait. Alright, so I got this GraceDAExplorer root. That's my connection. Just click it, and then once you click it, you need to enter your MySQL password. Okay. Hit OK and then continue anyway. And then it says here show. Let's try to run the database. Okay, show databases, run, and then boom, you can also see your MySQL here. So you're good to go, and you're now able to export and import the file. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.